good evening, students. Welcome to one more session of your WC. This is your Vani ma'am. Yes, you heard it right. We are going to start with the first unit of your biology, that's world of living. Already in chemistry, as we have done one topic that's nothing but your chemical reactions and equations. Right now, in this chemical reactions and equations, which I have done already in that particular chapter, please understand notes are also provided in the Telegram link is in the description. We have done your very short answers also we have done. We have also done assertion and reasoning questions, correct? We have also done case based question. Yes, students, the same thing follows with your biology also as and when I complete the chapter. So welcome to the session. To all the new students who are watching me for the first time, this is your Vani ma'am, always at your service. Welcome to the channel. The students who are associated with me, thank you so much. My gratitude towards you is always there. Let's start. Yes, we are going to start the chapter that is the theme, the world of living. According to your CBSE board, world of living, all the biology chapters which are included is carrying 25 marks. Correct, students? This 25 marks, the first chapter put together, all the control, coordination, everything put together is 25 marks. Now we are going to start with this chapter that is life processes. The topics which you're supposed to study is basic concepts of nutrition, respiration, transport, excretion in plants and animals. Both we are supposed to study and I'll show you visually everything, all the topics. Let's start the session without wasting time. The first important thing, I request you all to open a separate notebook for WOC. Ma'am, why separate notebook? Because WOC will be giving you question answers, everything gradually as and when I teach. Alright. So separate one book for chemistry, separate one book for biology, separate one book for physics. So keep it ready as and when I do a video, keep noting in these books. Done? Chalo, let's start. The first topic which we are going to study today is life processes. Oh wow. What is this life processes? The name of the chapter. As you all know, students, life, as you all know, anything which is living, which has life in it. Yes, though you are sleeping, correct? Though I'm sleeping, I'm taking rest. All the life processes, whatever you are, whatever should happen inside, will be happening, correct? Yes, this whole concept is about of this life processes, students. First of all, this life process, whatever we're seeing in this particular chapter, we'll be studying about nutrition, respiration, transportation, movement, reproduction, control, means gradually all the biology chapters, control and coordination, excretion, growth, everything put together. So now my concept is, first of all, I have to define what are life processes. So life processes are the basic processes, students, the basic things which should happen. Even if I'm taking rest also, they should happen. The basic process. Where are these basic processes happening? They're happening in our living body, because we said life. So they're going to happen in which one? They're going to happen in living organisms. Okay, human beings, plants, animals, whichever are living. And why this basic processes should happen? This basic processes which are happening basic in our living organisms, I'm going to use these basic processes. I'm going to use in where they're going to use for maintaining life. Okay, maintaining life. Ma'am, what is this maintaining life? What will it do? Maintaining their life and maintaining life. This maintaining life includes what? It includes different concepts. Now I'm talking to you. Yes, what is happening? I had my lunch. Yes, I had my lunch and I have that energy to talk to you. So, in different life process like nutrition, food giving me energy. I'm respiring, I'm breathing, respiration. Correct. From oxygen is getting supplied to different parts of the body. Transportation is happening. Just like that, excretion, which is also a part. Nothing excretion, digestion, everything are life processes. So life processes, I think it is easy. Examples also have given here. They are basic processes observed in which one? They are observed in living organisms and used in maintaining life. Maintaining life means unless until all these will happen, life doesn't sustain. There's nothing called life. Easy? Easy. Now, these life processes, whatever are there, as I said just now, nutrition, intake of food, transportation, supplies to different blood vessels, respiration, exchange of gases, excretion, removal of waste materials, reproduction, giving birth to new cell, a new organism, digestion, complete breakdown into smaller particles. All these are life processes. So for this life processes, the basic thing, what are required, everything we are going to study. I think it's clear, students. Now we'll start. I'm starting with the first life process, that is nothing but nutrition. All right, beautiful picture. You're able to see there are different varieties of foods now: vegetarian, non-vegetarian, everything is there here. Now what is nutrition? Basically nutrition is intake of food. So I'll take like this: intake. Okay, intake, I'm taking food, intake of food. Okay, this intake of food, for what you're eating this food? I'm eating this for food. For what? For getting energy. Yes, for intake of food, for providing energy or getting energy, providing energy. Okay, after you get the energy, what you'll use? This energy is used for what? For various life activities. For various life activities like you're running, walking, jumping, everything requires energy. This energy is nothing but nutrition is nothing but intake of food for providing energy for various life activities. Easy? Okay, easy. Now this nutrition, you're taking these four different varieties of foods, whatever are there, everything you're consuming it finally to get energy. Okay, now this nutrition, first of all, why do I need this nutrition? I'm eating every day, I'm digesting, absorbing everything I'm doing. Why do I need this nutrition? Basically, nutrition is nothing but, or I require nutrition first of all. From where I'm getting this nutrition? I'm getting from a particular raw material called nutrient. These are raw materials. We'll see what are these. So, raw materials like your carbs, proteins, and everything when I'm eating. This nutrition, why should I should have nutrition? Simple. Nutrition I require so that I get energy. Okay, done. Once you get energy, what are you using this energy for? For various activities. So when somebody asks you, why do you require nutrition? You say nutrition I require for getting energy. That way, that getting energy is used for doing various activities. So, what are the different activities which you're basically doing? Just for example, inside a body, growth happens. At the same time, repair also happens. Correct, na? All these are process which is happening inside the body. So nutrition is obtained from nutrients, which gives me energy for doing various activities like growth, repair, and everything. Simple. Okay, you said nutrition. I know, I understood now. Tell me now, what are nutrients? What are the raw materials? Nutrients, as you have seen, there are different raw materials which you are eating. These nutrients can be, first of all, they can be organic foods or they can be inorganic substances. Okay, they can be organic substances, they can be inorganic substances. So this inorganic or organic substances are the nutrients. For what I'm using? Same thing again, for maintaining life, for various activities, for maintenance of life. Okay, I'm getting that energy for maintaining my life. So I'm also maintaining, at the same time I'm surviving. Yes, for survival also. So nutrients are organic or inorganic substances just like this, which are used for maintenance of life and survival. Yes or no? Different examples, like for example, before I go to the different types, different examples. You only tell me what are the different examples. I use carbohydrates. Every time I eat rice, all the starch products. I eat proteins. Oh, all the milk products. Everything has proteins. Fat, your cheese, your ghee, your dairy products. Correct? But in this particular nutrition also, the nutrients also, there are two varieties. What are they? The first variety is macronutrients. Macronutrients. Macronutrients are those which are like, as I've mentioned, this examples I've mentioned, no? Carbohydrates, proteins, fats are macro. At the same time, when I talk about micronutrients, small, like little quantities in micro levels, like your minerals, your vitamins, vitamin A, D, E, K, all these are micronutrients. That so nutrients basically are organic, inorganic substances I require for maintenance. In that, there are two varieties. One is macro and one is micro. Done, students? Easy. Okay. Now, in this particular nutrition, what are the different types? You said nutrition definition. You know what are nutrients. Now I should know what are the different types of nutritions. Nutritions we are going to study for under plants. We are going to study under animals. Under plants, we are going to study about autotrophic nutrition. Again, in autotrophic, we are going to study the varieties. In heterotrophic nutrition, varieties. Symbiotic or symbiotic, yes, mutual understanding, that also we are going to study. Holozoic, saprozoic, parasitic, and types. Let's start in detail about each and every topic. So, what is the first topic? This is the first topic. So, I'm studying what actually is autotrophic nutrition. Yes, auto, as you all know, it is self. Yes, so organisms which prepare. So, we'll start from here. Organisms which you're going to write this in the same exam like this, which prepare their own food. Correct? Their own food. From where do they prepare this own food? Basically, as you would have seen, no, when you're walking on the road, there's a lake where you see this green, blue green algae. Correct? Na? Blue green algae. Yes. So what do? They are going to take up the inorganic substances which are there. They're going to take the inorganic materials. Ma'am, what are inorganic materials? See here. These are all the inorganic material. Carbon dioxide, water, all these are inorganic material. So these, which blue-green algae, for example, it picks up the inorganic materials what are there, everything it takes, and it converts into organic material. So the one which picks up the inorganic material like carbon dioxide, water, and converting into organic material are called autotrophs. Ma'am, what are organic material? As you all know, yes, your glucose, which gives energy. Sucrose, which gives energy. Yes or no? Yes. So these process or the nutrition where organisms prepare their own food by converting inorganic materials like carbon dioxide, water into organic materials are called autotrophic nutrition. Here, what example did I give? I've given an example of blue-green algae. Okay, blue-green algae, as you have seen, they prepare this food, and green plants also you can take as an example. Okay, in this autotrophic nutrition, how many varieties are there? Yes, the first variety of autotrophic nutrition is called photoautotrophic nutrition. Photoautotrophic nutrition. Photoautotrophic nutrition. The second type of nutrition is chemoautotrophic nutrition. Photoautotrophic, chemoautotrophic. Let us see what is photoautotrophic nutrition. See here, photoautotrophs. I've already given the examples. Green plants is one example. Photoauto. I'll tell what it is. Green plants, as you know, the name suggests. What is this? It's basically sulfur bacteria. These are all the examples of autotrophic nutrition. Sulfur bacteria is one more example. One more example is a class of protista, just like your amoeba, your euglena, diatoms, all paramecium, all these are photoautotrophs. What do you say means? What do you mean by photoautotroph? Photo means nothing. Just now I said autotrophs. What did they do? They converted inorganic into organic material. Same like that definition. Photoautotrophs are those they're going to convert inorganic materials into organic materials using what? Using light as a source. Photo means light. They're going to use light as a source and going to convert inorganic material into organic material finally, which gives you energy. So this light is providing that particular source to convert organic into inorganic to organic material, which is basically an energy source. Energy source. The light is the energy source which we are getting. This is photoautotrophs. Same like that, when you take next variety, what is the next variety, students? I said chemo. So in photoautotrophs, what is happening for you all? Inorganic material, as I said, carbon dioxide materials are getting converted to organic materials. And what is the source here? The source is photo. The source is light or the sunlight, which you are going to see as a source. Perfect. Done. The next variety is, okay, there's an MCQ. Let's see. Which organisms are not photoautotrophs? Okay, algae, does it take the light and convert, decompose? Yes. Cyanobacteria? Yes. Humans? Yeah, humans cannot take the light and prepare their own food, correct? No, human beings can't take the light directly, sunlight, and prepare their own food. Can they prepare? They take the direct sunlight, you food, you directly come into the mouth. No, they have to process food. Apple trees also using the chlorophyll, The chloroplasts, they prepare their food. So, which are not photoautotrophs? Human beings. All right. Next, what molecule is responsible for absorbing light in the cells of photoautotrophs? Which molecule? I said just now, in the leaf, in the chloroplast, chlorophyll pigment. So, which is used for observing chlorophyll. Easy. Let us see one more. Yes, this is the next topic. Chemoautotrophs. This is one more variety of your autotrophic nutrition. Okay. What are chemoautotrophs? As you have seen, this is the example. Methanogens. Same thing. Here, again, because it is autotroph, they're going to convert inorganic materials into your organic materials. This also same, ma'am. Then what is the difference? The difference, only difference here is they are going to use, yes, chemical energy. Yeah, whatever chemical energy from the inorganic reactions, chemical energy will be there. No, the chemical energy from the whatever inorganic reactions are happening, the chemical energy whatever is there in those from those inorganic reactions, it is going to absorb the particular energy and it's going to convert inorganic material to organic material. It's okay. So simple, both are same. In photoelectricity we are using light. Earlier one we are using light, correct na? Here what we are using chemical energy which is released from the inorganic reactions, and we converting the inorganic material to organic, which I'm going to use it for your food or the energy rather. Perfect. So simple definition, simple example for autotrophs. So once again summarizing, autotrophs will prepare their own food. There are two varieties. One is your photoautotrophs and chemoautotrophs. In both the cases, inorganic to organic. But in photo, I'm using light. In chemo, I'm using chemical reactions, so chemical energy. Done. Now let us see what are heterotrophs. So basically, heterotrophic nutrition is basically found in animals. Hetero. Okay, hetero means different category. Different. Auto, self. Hetero, pet. It depends upon something else. So animals basically come under heterotrophic nutrition. What do? They are going to eat. What will they eat? They will eat organic matter. Earlier it was inorganic matter. Now they're going to use organic matter, just like your carbon, hydrogen, oxygen bonded compounds. They were going to eat organic matter if it is alive. Okay, what do they do? Alive also they'll eat. What do they do? They hunt. They act as hunters. They act as hunters. They're going to hunt and they get their food. They also eat or depend upon dead matter, dead and decaying matter. And here they act as scavengers. They act as scavengers. Easy. Here they're going to act as hunters. Here they're going to act as scavengers. So heterotrophs are those animals which eat organic matter, alive or dead. Yes, done. Now in heterotrophic, which cannot prepare their own food, they have to depend. Okay, so we'll write cannot prepare their own food, but they depend upon something else. That's why it is hetero. Now in heterotrophic nutrition, there are two types. What are the two types? First type is saprotrophic nutrition. One second, students. Hello. All right. So let's come back. I just got a phone call. Sorry for that, students. So what are the different varieties? One is saprotrophic nutrition. Okay. Sorry. I'm just going back again. Let me pick my pen. This is a disturbance now. Insert pen, draw. Yes. Sorry for that. So the first type of nutrition which we're going to see is saprotrophic nutrition. All right. All right. The second type of nutrition which we are going to see is holozoic nutrition. Holozoic nutrition. All right. So these are the two types of nutrition which we are going to see in heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic can't prepare their own food. They have to depend upon something. Now let's see what is meant by saprotrophic nutrition. You see, saprotrophic examples are bacteria, fungi, molds, yes, houseflies, and all these are saprotrophic. What does a housefly do? Housefly, it first goes and sits on food. Correct, na? It sits on food. Housefly. And what does it do? It's going to secrete whatever it sits on the food. It'll try to secrete juices on this. Okay, just whether it is bacteria, whether it is, as you see, a bread mold and everything. See, you're seeing the bread mold. This bacteria, let me say this fungi, yes, here, it's going to secrete juice on this, secrete juice, it secreted juice on the food. Once it secretes juice on this food starts decomposing. It will turn in stale, decomposes. It starts, losing its quality of food or rancid. It'll start decomposing. It decays. Correct. So this is the process of saprophytic nutrition. Once again, what are saprophytes? Before we go to Holozoic, I'll explain once again. Saprophytes are those which they sit or they take the food whatever is there. On this food they are going to secrete juice. They'll secrete this juice on this food, and that food becomes decomposes or decays. That decomposes that food, whatever decomposes, it will turn as a food for them. Means first they secrete juice on that. Once they secrete juice, it will automatically become and then stay. But in case of holozoic nutrition, nothing. It's completely different. What are you observing here? Amoeba. Correct. What does amoeba do? It's trying to engulf the food. Correct. Now, it's first eating the food, then starts absorbing nutrition. Same holozoic. Let us understand. In holozoic, what happens is, let us write this holozoic nutrition. In holozoic nutrition, simple as that. I said these maximum examples are carnivorous plants also. If they eat they pull the trap, they hold the thing and they close, no? Yes, you know the type of the leaf, carnivorous plants, carnivorous animals. What do? They're going to hunt for the animals, correct? Na? They will first consume the food. Earlier, they in Saprozoic, they used to ingest the juices and then digest. Now, first they will consume the food. After consuming the food, where does it enter? It enters into your stomach. Once it enters the stomach, they ingest the food. They ingest the food inside your stomach. Then, after that, inside the stomach, the digestion happens. Digestion happens. Correct? Na? So, there's a little difference between both. Correct? So, Saprozoic, Holozoic. So the difference is there they digest outside only, they just send or sprinkle the juices and then eat it. But here after ingesting they digest the food. The next variety is parasitic nutrition. As you have seen, leeches, ticks, lice, cascata, all these plants, what do they do in parasitic nutrition? They feed on another organism. They feed on another organism and they get their nutrition. Correct, na? Yes. So, like this, different types of heterotrophic nutritions are also there. Yes, students? Yes. So, now once again, little topic we did today. We'll be doing more and more and more. Let's once summarize what we did. One summary, I'll be doing reaction, everything I'll be doing, students, nothing to worry. So, in summary, we studied what actually today, we studied what is meant by nutrition. Correct. I also taught you what is meant by nutrients. Correct. I've also taught you what are the types of nutritions. Types of nutrition. In that types of nutrition, I've also taught you about types of autotrophic nutrition, autotrophic nutrition, autotrophic nutrition. I've also taught you about types of heterotrophic nutrition. Correct? Na? Heterotrophic. More and more videos are going to come up, students, for more and more videos. So I request you to like the video. It doesn't cost anything. I want you to share the video. It doesn't cost anything. I want you to send your valuable comments on the video. How did you like the video? Yes, if possible, I request you to send the compliments also. Compliments you also. If possible, use a super thanks also. Thank you so much, students. Bye bye. Bye bye. See you again with a smile. Signing off. Coming back with one more topic because today is a biology topic. Coming back with more and more. Thank you so much, students. Thank you.